Hey guys, so this is the downstairs bedroom. It's a split floor plan. We have the one bedroom upstairs, one bedroom downstairs. I actually got this bedroom set on an app called Nextdoor, and I got a super deal. I think I paid about a little under $200 for the bed frame and the headboard. Pictures were from Big Lots. This year I had the little nightstand, a little light, pretty inexpensive way to put together the room. We'll do some pictures here in the bathroom. We saved the cabinets. We just put handles on there. Got a stackable washer dryer over here for the guests. There's a pool, there's a jacuzzi at this complex. It's over near Glendale Stadium where the Arizona Cardinals play. Little kitchen here. We have a ton of supplies that I brought over in these boxes here. A lot of them came from the Scottsdale unit, the dishes. That's the downstairs, and we'll take you upstairs and you guys can check that out. So this is the gray carpet I use quite a bit in my flips from Jorge. We're gonna have that cleaned before we launch. This here was some ceramic tile that I put in about 3 years ago, so it still looks great. Really like this split floor plan with the bedroom upstairs and one downstairs. We did queen beds in both of the bedrooms. Got my bed frame there at Costco. That cost me, I say, about 39 bucks. I'll put it together. This is a brand new mattress I have. And then I'll buy my headboard from online. Wayfair. It'll cost me about 100 bucks to buy the headboard. We're gonna put a TV in here from Costco. That TV is going to be about 300 bucks, and then we always get cable and internet for the guests. So we have a shower downstairs, and then upstairs we have a shower tub, which is pretty cool. I paid, I want to say, right around 40 grand for this property, and it's probably worth 180 now. So I got a smoking deal. It was a HUD property. Anyway, you have the two sinks up here, you got the lights, cabinets we saved, we just put the handles on there. So again, you don't want to overspend, you want to make it nice, clean, functional. It depends on the area too. So this one is completely different than the one I had in Scottsdale, Arizona. So I hope you guys enjoy it, enjoy the video. If there's questions, definitely hit me up with a DM, but Airbnb is the phenomenal business model. I already had 2 bookings for January through March, January through April at 2 of the units, which is crazy that people book that far in advance because we're only in August, but we'll see what happens here. Stay tuned. Peace.